How to fix Instagram following problem on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram following problem on any Android phone. For first thing, just open settings and then scroll down until you find storage and then click cleanup, and now just wait for this one here. Just wait and then click on it. You will find junk files or cache. Just click on it and then clean it, click delete, and then just restart your phone, and then your problem must be fixed. Click restart and try again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.